Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can unblock some numbers from your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. Suppose if you have previously set blocking numbers in your phone, later if you think that you would like to unblock it, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the dialer button here and go to these three vertical dots, click on settings here and go to block numbers, and you will have the numbers listed here. I have already blocked these two contacts, Balamurugan and Karuvadu. If you want to remove Karuvadu, just I should use this minus symbol, and Karuvadu is now removed from blocking, and Karuvadu can make a call to me. Okay, so suppose if you want to remove this contact too, yes, click on this minus symbol and it will be removed. So all blocked numbers can be removed here, or one or more blocked numbers can be removed here as per your wish. So in this way you can easily unblock some numbers from your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.